Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builder Supply. This video is to bring you a closer look at the Adams Rite number 4000-031-628 trim strike for their hook bolt. This is a common strike plate that's going to be used in, well, it can be used in certainly in a steel frame, a wood frame, it can be used in an aluminum frame, whatever the case might be. Can be surface mounted, can be mortised. If you're going to mortise this, you might want the 91-0665 mounting kit for that. 91-0665. That's not the right part number. 91-0965. Let's try that. Yeah, that's the right part number. 91-0965 is a mounting kit that you might be able to use for this should you need it. Now, why does it have this shaped hole? Well, that allows for alignment. The hook is going to approach entry into the strike down here, and as it constricts up top, it will help draw the lock tight into the door frame, and that's what that is there for. Okay, so the 4000 is the series of strike. And that specifically means that this strike is going to have a width of 1 1/4 inches, a height of 4 7/8. Okay, it is going to include, and this is the 628 finish, by the way. It's available in the 313, which is dark bronze. You're going to get a total of 4 screws, 2 for a machine application, a machine thread application, 2 for a wood thread application. Okay. There is a link below this video to a document called Instructions, which are very handy. It will allow you to review all of the important dimensional properties of the item. They are, of course, included with the unit, and the same strike is appropriate for either a hook bolt or a deadbolt. Okay, either will work just fine. The backside gives important dimensional properties about the strike that we've already discovered, but what it also does is give you the legend by which you would order the strike. Now, if you open up that link to the instructions and go to page 2, you're going to see that you've got the 4000 series strike. Okay, you can see that 4000 can be 4000, it can be 4001, 4002. Those are 3 different strikes. The 4000 is specifically what's called the trim strike. Dash, the first value there is 0, as this is a flat strike versus a 1 being a radiused strike. The next digit in hours is a 3. This is for the standard 3/4 inch hook bolt, not the 3/4 inch short bolt or the 1 3/8 standard bolt. You'd want to order it correctly, because this strike can be used for the standard 1 3/8 bolt, the short hook bolt, or the standard long bolt. And of course, the preparation here, the location of the hole, is going to be based on that. And of course, the last 3 numbers are just the finish. 628 is aluminum. There is a link below this video as well to a document called Template that's better called a product brochure, I would say. And that's what we'll rename it to. Now, on that page, you can see the lower right-hand corner, again, a more graphical way by which to determine how to configure this type of strike. Let me give you the opening dimensions of this as well. The bottom of the strike has a width, an opening width of 0.914, so basically 15/16. The top, 0.679, so basically 11/16. Then the height, The inside clear height is 2.184, 2.184, so basically 2 3/16 is the height of, 2 3/16 is the height. Finally, there is a link below this video to the manufacturer's page where you can pull up the full line Adams Rite product catalog and review several important resources that are there. First of all of the Adams Rite products that we sell are listed there page to page, which is quite frankly an inefficient way to go about finding Adams Rite products on our site. There are probably hundreds, if not thousands of pages, thousands I would say. There is a link to the product catalog, and that product catalog is updated not often, but when it is, it's updated leaps and bounds better than the previous version. This product catalog contains all of their newest products, as well as the base products of electric strikes, exit devices, storefront hardware. There is also a link to the Adams Rite parts price list. That is a very handy resource because you will be able to find constituent parts as it pertains to the greater assembly. If you have an electric strike and you really only need the solenoid, you can use that document to get to the 7100 strike, let's say, and get the part numbers for the solenoids as they apply for your electrical configuration. And then finally, a link to the manufacturer's website as well. If you have any questions on the Adams Rite 4000-031-628 trim strike or any other Adams Rite product, please feel free to reach out to us. Thank you.